Opriche! Hey, Opriche! Right here.
Richard, are you blind? Can't you see I'm waiting for you?
So how are you? You know you're a princess, and the princess should not be walking alone like this. I'll take care of it. Just come to the car. All right? Okay, please. Huh? Come on, darling. Thank you. Thank you. All right, here we go.
The car is not starting.
Don't worry. I know what he did. Akwabata. Ahụrụ m aka gị. So, can my car have no start up here? Let me warn you. As long as I remain in Ugezu, when I'm okay, start. You got on the phone.
Get in, let's go.
Let's go.
So that's it? Huh? So that is it? You embarrass me and let that old fool parade himself like a peacock.
Akwabata. Temper. Temper. Listen, your temper will destroy you someday. A man who shouts can never win the heart of a woman.
But I love you.
Love doesn't make noise.
Oh. You think I don't love you?
You're in the best position to answer that question. Tell me, what have I ever asked you for? The truth is, you go around saying that you know me and you love me. Yet in reality, you just love the idea of who I am.
But I love you. And I want you to be mine.
What have I ever asked you for? Tell me. Show me one thing I've asked you for but respect. That's the only thing I've asked you for.
Talking about respect, you gave Ikukwego attention. You were there smiling, watching him raising praises on you. Huh? You gave Ikukwego attention. You were there watching you smiling.
That's a man who knows how to treat and respect a woman. Akwabata. Such men win our hearts easily. What have I ever learned from you? Tell me. What? Perhaps how to take 7 titles. How to parade our fleets of cars. Or better yet, talk about how many women we've slept with. Listen to me and listen good. Until you learn to respect me, please leave.
What are you doing here?
Good day, sir. My boss asked me to give this to the princess.
So his madness has gotten to this point. Let me have the gift.
I'm sorry, sir. You can't have it. The instructions to give it to the princess.
Who is it?
I just asked you to do this.
So it has gotten to the point where you now accept cheap gift from a man who is old enough to be your father.
Akwabata, have you ever given me a pin? Why do you even care? Why act as though you're betrothed to me?
Well, you're my woman.
I can't remember you asking me to be your woman.
Asking you now, be my woman right now. Hey, my friend, take these gifts out of this place.
You know what?
Take it away.
Tell your boss his gift is accepted with thanks. Thank you.
This is a slap on my face. I know what to do.
Then do something. At least the right thing.
Who let this people into my
So
premises?
it has gotten to a point where you buy gifts to deceive my woman. Now listen, let me tell you something. Furiche is my Eve. I've been with her for the past 9 months. Stay away from her.
You've been with her for 9 months. I have been eating her for more than that.
Just stay away from her.
You get out of my premises.
You still use a past I never tell you.
Obviously. But let me warn you. Let this be the first and last you walk into my premises to warn me about or over a woman. Now get out.
Get out who? Threatening who? Get out who?
Akwabata,
Get out who? What do you mean get out?
you're threatening to shoot me in my own premises?
Yes, if you don't stay away from her.
Mariwo Iberibe.
You won't even be too. Rubbish.
Settle what? Don't stay away from this matter. Now you go inside. Oh, you.
Stay away from my woman. You are too analog to be with her. Stay away from her. Stay away from her. And this will be the last one. Stay away from her. Rubbish.
Akwabata, I will not warn you again. If you ever step your feet into this premises, ngatage. Kebi gedo half of me, Milo.
What I see.
Kebi gedo half of me, Milo.
One of my Thailand.
Okay.
Baby.
Okay.
You know my woman. You know who my mother is. Try it. Or if you see I catch a fire, I will not fire you.
Okay. I can take back fire and your mother. I have been there. I will deal with them.
Stay away from her.
Shiraka Rom.
Stay away from here. You cannot maintain operation. Stay away from her. You are too analog for her.
When you get home, you squeeze it. Squeeze it fonya very well. Squeeze it very well. Then apply it here. Go back and now if people will not stay one place. Now look at the effect. So when you get home, squeeze it like I said. Apply it very well on the affected area. Inside, make sure you do not wear clothes. Sleep naked. Don't allow water to touch it when you apply it on the affected area. Okay, the young one, pop it very well.
Morning and night.
For this night first.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
People will not stay with you. Guess what? It's all these children, I don't understand.
Mama. How are you doing?
Sorry, your face is like, what happened?
I'm not happy.
Who is making my son angry? Who is making my son angry?
Ikukwego is trying to stage another war with me.
Ikukwego?
Yes.
The one that took your woman from you?
Yes. This time around, she even tried to snatch my princess of preaching. The girl I have dated for the past 9 months now. She even threatened to kill me if I talk about her again.
Sit down.
Mama, I'm not here to sit down. You have to do something.
Sit down. See, the offspring of a lion can never feed on grass. Ugezu will never humiliate you again. That I assure you. But in the first place, why the princess?
Mama, have you considered how it would sound if I married the most beautiful princess of Richie, the most beautiful, the richest, the most intelligent, educated woman in this town? Think about it. And it will be an honor and privilege that we marry from a royal house. Yes.
But it's not a bad idea. But is there another thing?
Hey, Mama, I will be using the family connection to be, doing business, home and abroad, transacting, doing everything. They are connections. You understand? Besides, I'll be proud that Princess of Preacher is beside me as my wife. Think about it.
So what did I'm coming? Anamaka. You see this?
Yes.
When you're ready to go and see her, drink this. And when you speak to her, she will never look at Ugezu again. As for Ugezu, he has nothing to do.
Thank you, Ma. One more thing, Mama. Tinyere makete banoko.
Yeah.
Ona abwa.
Yengi sinye now. Ona ejelu gozi. Ị na-ekwu ọ na-eme. Ibule ekwu eme. Don't worry. I know what to do. Izoku okwu abụrụ ndị.
Dalo.
You know?
Dalo.
Dad, I thought we came home to relax. I don't like this.
Don't mind him. He's too small for me to bother about.
He's too small. Dad, don't underrate an angry man. He can do anything.
I'm the grandmaster. I can do anything.
I'm just worried about us.
What's that?
I'm very, very hungry.
You're hungry. Sorry. Get some money. Is that all? You're hungry?
Aku. Aku, you're very, very charming. I can see love all over your face. Did you see it? The love. It's all over your face. Mommy!
Hey, where's the money?
The love is in your face. Look at it. You can see it.
Take her out.
The love is in his face.
Take the money and leave here.
No,
Take.
it's the love. Love, love, my love. My love. My love, I love you.
What are you doing here?
Akwabata. I have come for us to talk.
Talk about what? Preaching. Preach, I think?
You guessed right. You're a very smart guy. You see, I've thought about it. I've sat down and said, what are we quarreling over? That this girl will make us start another tug of war?
Yes, you won the war the first time. When you snatched my Yoruba woman, the Azza Mama, because I was still a small boy. But this time around, I will win the war before you even think about it.
He still talks like a boy. Look, let's not dwell on the past. Huh? I have come here to make you an offer, a very beautiful one. I brought 3 beautiful men for you. Asamwa, Ndianabo, Munyo Dogu. I'll bring them for you. As for your as a woman or as a woman, whatever you call it, I'm done with her. I'm a chalamea, Ogula.
What do you take me for? You think I was still that small boy that you send on errands on the street of Holland? Huh? Now let me let you know. Whatever you think you have, I have it double. Double. So you better stay clear before I remind you of the past. Before I mess Sogoku.
Akwabata. Stay away from Oporicha. Else I will give you trouble.
Bring the trouble. Now let me tell you something. Stay away from that girl. If I see you close to her again, I will show you why I'm called Mede Buago, that island.
Oh, the woman. I won't caterpillar. He would lam on a caterpillar before. On Abba. Wadaka, Jerem.
Ikubaka Kitipaboaja.
Okay.
Let's see. Hey. Don't you ever allow this type of guy in this compound again.
Yes, boss.
Ugu.
Your Majesty, I must commend you for your role, not just as the king, but as a father.
Your Majesty, this is money. I have come to seek permission for a higher title beyond Ozo.
This boy will not rest. This small boy will not rest. Your Majesty, let me place it on record. I want to be the only one to be conferred with a chieftaincy title this year. Others can wait till next year.
What?
Let us not make it common.
What nonsense? What do you mean others can witness it? You want to buy tradition?
Listen to me, Akwabata.
Rubbish.
You need to understand that the submission Ikukwegu just made here stands. If you are interested in any title, you have to wait until next year.
Well, but Your Majesty, I'm not only here for that. I came here for something else.
Then you have to wait outside. As you can see, I am still discussing with Ikukwego. You need to understand something, that this place where you are is a royal house. This is a palace
I should wait
where courtesy and the protocol are of utmost importance.
Your Majesty, I should wait outside?
Your Majesty, you know, he doesn't understand logistics and protocols and courtesy. So we must forgive him for such interruptions. And when people like this talk, you should remember that is just a sign of a backing dog.
I will not take that from you. You call me a backing dog? Akwabata a backing dog?
Listen, Akwabata, I know you to be a proud man. Are you equally telling me that arrogance is included? What kind of behavior is this? As I told you already, I am here discussing with Ikukwego of something that is of utmost importance to our community. If there is anything you want to say, go outside and wait, or you stand aside with your money. Let me round off what I am discussing with him.
I should wait outside. Your Majesty, I should go outside.
I said you should stand aside. And when you stand aside with your money. Let me round off what I am discussing with Ikukwego. It's of utmost importance to the community.
Thank you, Igwe.
It's all right.
Your money, your money.
Be careful.
Upon if Igwe and I got through, but if it's all manner of people. You solve one problem to the other, and so this is arrogance. Arrogance marinated with pomposity. I mean,
I understand.
If he was taller than this, you can imagine this community can come with a problem.
Oh, my dear. How are you doing?
What are you doing here?
Oh, I came to see your father, the king.
But you never told me you were coming here.
Oh, sorry about that. It's just that the message is urgent, so I decided to come. It's very important.
Important?
Yes.
What could be that important?
Well, you know, I was telling you about my plans to, take the other title. If you look around, you can see that some of my mates in this town, even small boys, they have taken big titles. So I came to see him in respect of that. By the time I take the other title, I will beautify it with another title bigger than that. And after that, by the time people will see me stepping out with my beautiful wife, they will know that Akamata has finally owned the city.
So he values titles more than anything else.
Ikukwego, you are not just a man of means. You are one man of my kingdom who has mastered the art of carrying himself with dignity. The one with patience, and the one who has the wand to help. Unlike Akwabata, who allows anger to control him. You are very different.
Ebedike, thank you for your very kind words. I'm honored to hear that. And I appreciate all your concern. But I'm not just here for the title. I also came for your daughter's hand, Oporiche.
Are you sure you are ready for that? My daughter will speak of Oporiche. It's not just a woman. We are talking about the one I consider as my jewel, my only child. She is a woman who is in a class of her own. It is not every day that we see a well-read woman who is doing so well in real estate. Not only in this country, but in major countries of this world. In the United States, in the UK, in Japan, in South Africa.
Ebedike, Igwe, I'm ready. I came prepared. I'm not going to come like a pauper. My friends are going to come with me, very rich friends, my family. So it's not, I have thought about it, but it's not something that happens by accident. I want to assure you that I came prepared. And the world we know that Ikukwego is going to marry Igwe's daughter.
Should I tell you that I am excited with what I am hearing? I am indeed very excited. I will talk to her. Like you know, it is not my call, it is her call.
Yes.
I will discuss this with her and I will get back to you. Just like I gathered, she is in the country now, though I have not seen her. But I will discuss this with her as soon as I set my eyes on her.
Igwe.
And I will then get back to you.
Igwe, I already told her by phone call that.
You did?
Yeah, we spoke, and I told her that I will make sure it's a world event in this community.
Good. Good.
Igwe Dalu.
We'll pick it up from there.
Thank you.
At least let the world see.
Yes.
Let our Kawabata see.
Yes.
How mature men
Yes.
carry
Do
themselves.
things. Igwe.
Igwe.
Igwe. Dalu. Dalu.
Oh, yeah, don't let go.
Dalu. Dalu.
Ah, don't let
Dalu.
go.
Dalu.
Why is it that you think about nothing else except how people will praise you? Is that all that matters to you?
Of course, my dear, because I'm a core traditional man. Of course, I want people to praise me because when poverty was hitting me, they were laughing at me, watched me. You understand? So, of what use is my money if I can show off, if I can, show people how mighty it is? Come on, my dear. I've made money just to make myself happy, to do what I want, and also to marry the most beautiful, the most hardworking and intelligent woman in this town, and also to take many titles.
Titles? So it's all about titles.
My dear, you won't understand. You see, have you imagined yourself stepping out with Akabata, the international man, the exporter of mineral resources, the man with so many titles? The whole world will be jealous of you.
Beautiful sunrise. Your father and I were just talking about you inside there. What a coincidence.
Ikuku, you can see I'm talking to my woman. So please step aside. I won't allow you to disrespect me before her. Please.
Well, my dear, welcome to your home. I gave your father a very pleasant message. He will relay it to you. I'm an intentional man. Once again, welcome back. Good to have you.
Thank you.
Jojo, we can get out of here now.
So, my dear,
Beautiful daughter of mine.
Oh, Father.
You are here.
Yes, I am. I'm so sorry I haven't come to see you all the while. I had to deal with the Delta State governor.
That is the voice of my daughter. Always relating with the high and the mighty. Good, I think you are here.
Oh, thank you, Father. Dad, are you going out?
Yes, I have to go to Ishii Akokaria. There is something we need to discuss, something very important.
Okay.
But I will soon be back. I hope you will still be here waiting for me.
Of course, Father, I'll wait for you.
Your Majesty, I'm here waiting for you.
Akobata, I feel you have to go and come back. Because I cannot wait, and you cannot stay here waiting for me. I have something to go and discuss with Akokaria. So you go and come back. And remember to take what you left on my table. Thank you.
See you when you come back.
I will.
Next time, remember to do the important things first.
She's saying I should do the traditional rites first. Okay.
My beautiful daughter, I am actually very glad you came back. And you're coming back in a time such as this. It goes a long way to show me that the gods are actually behind what is coming up.
Father, what is coming?
You will agree with me. Based on what you have achieved already, you will agree with me that the time is ripe for you to have a man in your life. I mean, for you to sit very close to a man. You are successful already by every definition of that word. You have attained the highest level of education. And in the business of real estate, you have already carved a niche for yourself, not only in this country, but globally. And I feel the time is up.
Father, trust me, a lot of men have been flocking around me, but none of them is serious.
When you say that, I have no reason to believe that the gods of this land are actually behind this. And that may be why they have set up this surprise that is coming up tomorrow.
A surprise?
Yeah.
What is it, Father? Did Aquabata say anything?
Like I said, it's a surprise.
Well...
And tomorrow you are going to find out.
You know how much I love surprises, so bring
Enough,
it on.
enough of this.
Okay.
Tell me, how is everything going?
Father, everything is just perfect. I missed you though, so I miss talking to you. Tell me, how have you been?
Unfortunately, I don't think they are ready for those kind of things you eat. But they will get ready for you by tomorrow.
My friend, will still appear wherever I set my foot.
Akuabata, don't cry yet. You know the gods love me so much that they have carved a path for my destiny to meet with that of Opuriche.
You're dreaming. She will never choose you. Not in this life. Snatch a woman once from me. I warned you, it will never happen again.
Oh, leftover woman? Come on, man. I offered you 3 other women fresh from abroad. What did you say? You said no. Akwabata, what do you want from me? You want my shadow?
That's an insult.
Insult
me?
Nah, come on.
You have a shadow?
Come on. A king does not need to pick from the crumbs. No. The gods have destined it. No man can change it or breach it for me.
You're just dreaming. Keep dreaming.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let me see you. Come here. Come on. Jojo, give me some money. Let me give this guy. I'm showing him, man. I'm giving you that.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Well, wake up.
How dare you?
Now you sing for me. Come on, sing for me.
How dare you? How dare you? Rabbit. You got that second.
Enough of this nonsense.
He was dead naked. This man.
Akwabata, I need you to take your noise out of this compound.
Let me listen to him. Ebubedike, what did he say?
Of all the things reported of you, deafness is not one of them. And I am certain you make me.
I should leave this compound? No way. No way. Nothing will happen in this kingdom. No way.
You're disobeying the Igwe.
But why? Because of what today represents, ignore him. Let's go inside.
Ugezu, wanna stop for nonsense, yo. Bobo de galugonu, ndi bika batagonu, ane kweku meme. Woke kunoko, woke ne beta. Ikuku ego ne fefe. Wanna stop for nonsense, if you cross my way. If you fully well, get difference can do only. Getting up your nobodo. Akwabata no panso. Oh, you move look at why. Makane meluan. Oh, ne melo yekayama. Oh, wherever you can see ya. It's a love where me fell. One mulungwane sukuo, one melipe nada kanduoli. Uwe makatama gena chigi, imakatama gena chigi. Welungwa solum, 'cause now she be my love. Now she I go marry you. If you cross my way, if you fully well.
Go and call my daughter. Ask her to come and greet our visitors. Ikuku ego. This is only an introduction, and you're making it as loud as an ofala. You have actually pulled the kind of stunt only real men pull.
You know I'm a man of very few words. I can only show it in action. I'm telling you.
Look at the even the good you Kanuzo. Eh?
Ugezu has done marvelous.
Dalo.
Hey, what is this? Did you see the princess? What kind of stupid person is that? Are you not the one assigned to get her needs? So,
the king asked me to go call the princess. When I go to her bedroom, I couldn't find her.
What are you saying? If she's not in her bedroom, then where else will she be?
I don't know. Come. It's not as if I don't know what I'm saying.
It's done, sir. Smoothly.
Good. I hope it didn't hurt her.
Not at all, sir.
So where is she now?
She's where you asked me to keep her.
Good.
Yes,
Then we'll see who marries her.
If she's not in her room, that means she's gone.
She can't be gone. I mean, she can't be gone when her phones are in there. I think something is wrong somewhere.
You're right. We need to go tell the king before it's too late.
I think that's what we'll do.
And where is my daughter?
Your Majesty, she's not in her bedroom.
What do you mean she is not in her room?
I think something is wrong.
What could be wrong?
Please, I'll be right back.
Igwe, I hope all is well.
My daughter is not in her room. And the way the place is rumpled, it appears as if she was taken forcefully.
Igwe, I'll find out.
Guards! Guards! Yes, Your Majesty. Where is my daughter?
She's in her room, Your Majesty. She's upstairs, Your Majesty.
It actually means you are just parading yourselves as keepers of the palace, and you do not even know anything. You are telling me my daughter is in her room. She is not there. And from what I see, she may have been taken forcefully from here. Listen, both of you. If anything happens to my daughter, you are dead. Get out!
Your Majesty, this is surprising.
What is going on?
Akwabata, where have you hidden her? Where have you hidden her?
Oh, so the almighty Ikuku is not feeling it. This is good. This is only the beginning of the war. What? How dare you touch my mother?
Akwabata, 2 hours. I give you 2 hours to bring Operiche back to me. Else, you will lose more than you can imagine. Ako, ngatago, ngasekitao.
Hey, you tell me, girl, you go fist swallow me. You go go.
I need to understand what is going on. Yes, it is very clear to me that the war between both of you is responsible for my daughter's disappearance. But I want whoever that is responsible for her disappearance to undo what he did so that my daughter can come home.
Who else? If not Akwabata. Can you deny you don't know her whereabouts?
What nonsense are you talking about? You came here the other day with your useless words on a show to take my fiancé away from me. What did I do as a peace-loving man? I just walked away. Yes, I walked away. How again do you not come and accuse me of kidnapping of Richard?
You think this is a joke? His Majesty, give him 24 hours to bring her back. You know her whereabouts.
Your Majesty, this man kidnapped my innocent mother. Yes, please, ask him to return my mother. If I don't see my mother in the next few days, his entire generation will be wiped out.
I am actually talking about what you did, and you are saying something else. What is wrong with you? Are you insane or what? Do you even know the gravity of what you just said? Do you know the gravity of what you said now?
Ask him. Ask him why he said he's going to kidnap my innocent mother. For nothing. Yes. The other day I walked in here. Did you allow me to stay? No. I just moved away. So how can I come and kidnap a preacher? A woman I love?
Now listen to me. You are not leaving this palace until you release my daughter.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. So this is all a setup. I thought we were here for peace.
Can we have peace when I have not seen my daughter?
Oh, okay. There's no problem. But I'm walking away from here and nothing anybody will do about it.
Hold it right there. What exactly do you think you're doing? Do you actually feel you can walk out on me? You know, is that what you're doing?
Ebubedike, I am walking away from trouble. I don't want trouble, so I have to walk away from it.
If you are able to leave this place today without me releasing you, that simply means I am not a descendant of you. You see that spiritual realm? It is going to be today.
Whatever you have got upon yourself.
Let me go! Ebubedike, let me go. I don't want trouble again. Let me go. Let me go. Release me.
Are you now ready to release my daughter from wherever you are keeping her?
Release me first. Let me go upon her.
So it is you. So finally you are confirming you are actually the one who took my daughter. Now listen to me. You will not be able to describe what happens to you. If finally I confirm when my daughter returns that there is a crash in her body.
This is not upon me. Abuse of tradition.
She was here now. She was sitting here. Like that. Escape. How manage? How do I tell my boss? How do I explain this to my guy?
Where is she?
I left her there. I couldn't see her.
Are you mad? What do you mean you can't find the room?
I left her there and the door was properly locked. I don't know how she escaped.
Come and show me. Come and show me the room.
Dad, you need to see this. Dad, you're not... Hello? Yes. What? My dad? Okay. Dad, what's going on? What's this I'm hearing about you kidnapping Akabata's family?
At this point, you have to stay indoors.
Stay indoors? Dad, I have a seminar I'm anchoring today at the Presidential Lodge. I can't stay indoors, please. I can't.
Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. You will stay indoors.
Dad, I can't miss this seminar.
Why will you be so careless?
I'm sorry, boss. This is my first
Sorry
ever
for
mistake.
yourself. What do you want me to tell her father now?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, boss.
What's the meaning of this? I've always told you to be careful.
I'm so sorry. I don't know how she escaped. I don't know. I'm sorry.
Sorry about what? Rubbish. All right. Hold on.
Hello, Mekwa. It's Wahalo.
Again.
Some men came here. Uncle, it was very brutal. They took my man Chineye. I managed to escape, Uncle. See, Uncle, the best thing to do now is just to go to the police station and report this.
No. Hold on. This is not a matter of police.
Uncle, if it's not police, then what is it now? Uncle, me, I'm scared though. Uncle, we have to go to the police station. No.
Let's play this game. This time around, it's going to be bloody.
Uncle, which game? Uncle, I need to go back here. You need to go game. Uncle, give me the football. Uncle, there come Uncle.
Start.
Uncle.
My friend, tell your boss that I'm here. Tell your boss that Kwabata is here and he's angry.
My boss left an instruction. He doesn't want to receive any visitor, even if he's angry.
Did you hear what I said? Did you understand who I said that is looking for him? I said, tell your boss that Kwabata is here to see him.
I heard you, and I know who you are, but I cannot disobey my boss. Sorry, you can't go in. I advise you leave this place now.
Okay, calm down. Let's go.
My daughter, you must not allow those men to drag into their pride and revelry. Of a truth, they want you, but trust me, it is not for love.
I know. Ikuku loves wealth more than me. Akwabata loves winning more than peace. But I must choose my own path. They will have to prove it if they truly want me. Not with money, not with titles, but with sacrifice. Until then, I choose to remain hidden.
It's okay. I'm coming.
How are you doing?
I'm well.
Do you want anything?
No, for now.
In case you want anything, please do not hesitate to let me know.
Thank you.
It's alright. I'll be in my study.
Please let me go. I'm not a part of this.
Shut up. See,
As you can see, your life is in danger.
What did I do now? Please don't kill me.
My friend, keep quiet. I don't want to hear anything from you again. Just keep quiet.
See, I can pay you any amount. Just please let me go.
What's wrong with this one? Do you think money is my problem? How much do you think you can pay me that move? My friend, just keep quiet.
5 million. I can give you 5 million.
5 million.
Okay, 10. I can double 10.
What? You give me 10 million? Come and sit down here. Come and sit down here first. How much you give me?
10 million.
Transfer.
Immediately.
Just do it. Just wait. Sharp. Where's my dad? Sharp now.
Wait, I'm on it.
Boss, I found this at the gate.
By who?
I don't know who dropped it.
Why this time of the night? Drop it on the table.
Boss, we are yet to have something for dinner.
I'm not the chef. And if the chef is not there, I should direct that to my daughter.
She's not yet back, your daughter.
What do you mean she's not yet back? Where did she go to? From where?
She said she was going to the presidential villa for a seminar. She hasn't returned.
I told you not to let her out of this house, didn't I?
I'm sorry, boss. I couldn't stop her.
Give me that letter. I told you not to let my daughter out of this house.
Boss, I'm sorry. I can go and find her.
Find her where? You tell me, find her where? What happened?
I was abducted.
Abducted? By who?
Don't touch me. I warned you, Dad. I warned you about this.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? What if I had died?
No one can hurt you because they know you're my daughter.
Right. But I was kidnapped today. They almost killed me. Don't touch me. Don't come close to me.
Yes, boss.
Anytime.
Yes, boss.
Stop being stupid.
Sorry, boss.
Enough of this madness. Enough. My daughter is not here because she chooses not to be here. She has gone into hiding because neither of you knows her heart. If you want her, prove yourself. Not by the one who is richer or the one who is louder, but the one who is ready to honor her choice. My daughter is not a goat that should be dragged around. She is not.
Well, everybody he cannot compare me with this man. Eh? But let him just know that this is not over.
Then the war continues.
But I thought we were here to discuss about how where this man came to my mother.
I am not here to discuss that. After all, you started it. If you cannot handle it, please get the police involved. But do not let me get you sanctioned for your attempt to kill my daughter. Do not.
He also tried to abduct my daughter.
Why did you kidnap my own mother? I know where to get you. Yes, I know where to get you. Just wait for me.
Igwe, he's threatening me before you.
I will do it several times. Rubbish.
Please.
Igwe.
If you are keeping his mother, please release her. Let peace reign again in this kingdom. Please.
What madness? What are you doing here? Jojo! Jojo!
Boss!
What is she doing there? I left instructions that you should let her go. What is she doing here?
Boss, I did.
What is she doing here?
Madam, what are you doing here? Please stand up and go.
If you know the way you took me out from my house, take me back.
Madam, listen. I instructed them to let you go because the king pleaded with me. Don't get me angry. If you do, I'll lock you up in a room here. You will not see the sunlight for 10 years. Take her out of here.
Yes, boss. See, madam, I don't have time for your nonsense. Don't even try that your stupid magic. If you misbehave, I will throw you to the river. Get up and go. Get up. Get up! Get up. Get up!
Adora! Adora! Adora!
Sir, Adora left.
Left to where?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Did I not leave instructions that on no account must she leave this house?
Sir, I don't remember, sir.
You cannot remember.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Boss, is everything all right?
Akwabata has my daughter.
What? Let me go after his mother. Boss, here she is.
What is this?
What? Boss, this woman fooled me. I can go and capture her.
See this girl. So because I let you go the first time, you want to play with me now. See my match. Yeah, stand up, let me give you another point. Stand up! Stand up, please. What's wrong with this one? Auntie, stand up. I don't touch you. I don't want to. How will I explain this to you first?
For the last time, where is my daughter? The last time, where is my daughter?
Oh, you think my mother is not as precious as your daughter is to you? Huh? Listen, if you want this to drag for 10 years, I'm ready for that. I trust my mother. She'll be fine. She'll find her way.
Oh, your mother will find her way. Let me tell you, the last time, I'll get to this gate. I'll spit on the floor. If that spit dries up before I get home, I'll bring down this house. Hey, my friend, come back here. How can I be talking to you and you're moving? Hey, what are you talking?
You want to bring down the house? Let's go ahead. Go ahead and bring down the house.
Akwabata, I'm a babu go.
You want to shoot if I'm seeing the turtle shell? Shoot me! Let me warn you. You will never see your daughter again if at the end of today I don't see my mother. It's an eye for eye, aura for aura, ogiri for ogiri. Shoot! What? You want to shoot? What? Are you okay?
What can they get instead of the
That's right.
Now that you have your mother, can I have my daughter?
Calm down.
That's the problem.
What is it?
Let me go to the other side.
My friend, release the daughter immediately. Go and release the daughter. Let's go, Mama. Let's go.
Take me to where my daughter is. Where is my daughter?
I did not do anything to her. I did not touch her, please. I did not touch her.
I'm going to blow your head off.
I didn't do anything to her, please. I did not touch her.
Show me where she is.
I did not touch her.
Mama, you need to leave this place. Now, I need to take you to a safer place.
What is going on?
Mama, I will tell to you later. This place is no longer safe for you. Just pick your things, arrange them. Let me take you to where you're supposed to be.
I will not leave this place until you tell me why I am going to hide.
Mama, listen to me. You don't need to stay this place anymore. It's about life and death.
I will not leave because I have to feed the more.
What if something happened to you now?
Nothing will happen to me, so far more is there.
Mama, stop being stubborn. Just pack your things and leave this place now.
I will not leave. I'm a Monday FM. So that will be. I am not leaving this place.
You sent for me.
Akwabata, look at this young man again. Do you know him?
No.
May thunder fire you there for denying you don't know this man.
May that thunder fire your entire family. How can you beat me and also cry more than me?
Listen, Akwabata, this is a very serious issue. You see this young man? He has already confessed how you asked them to go and abduct Adora and how Adora died in their custody. Are you claiming you are not aware of that?
Well, I don't know him. I didn't send anyone to go and kidnap anyone. That's not my life. This is Akwabata. I don't do that. I'm a peace-loving man. So, I don't know you.
You're joking with my own daughter's life. Denying your personal bodyguard. Igwe, don't worry. Do not bother your head. I know what to do. Okay, Konaka?
What's that they do?
Okay.
Don't mind this room.
Akwabata, the masquerade that will always decide to dance very far away from those that are beating his drum will always dance off key.
Well, I don't know of any masquerade that wants to dance. Masquerade can decide to dance. Well, they will be dancing. Dance. Continue dancing.
You don't know me. You don't know me.
Move!
Hey. Ha! Amen. See, jejely follow me. Don't allow me to descend on you. If I Only got $1. You will. Only got $1. I can't move. I'm one up. I'm a one FM, one FM.
So, buddy, call me. I will tell you that my mother is trying to go for me.
What is it again? Who am I going to huh? I'll come back. Hey.
You are strong, Abi.
Move! Move!
Move!
Move!
How long will this last? Huh? How long? This is not the life I want for myself and my family. I made this money to be happy, to enjoy myself, not to put them in this kind of danger. What is this? What is this?
Me since, and I've been looking for you. You can't run away from me. My love, do you know the story of Ruth and Naomi in the Bible? Before I'll tell you the full story, my love, let me dance for you.
Let's say this is the end of the road for you. I'm going to say good night.
Jerry, I know I'm not web. I know I'm not web on that banco. Okay. Good money from here. Hey, look wine.
Boss, this woman refused to die. The bullets are not entering.
What do you mean you don't know what to do? Bury her alive and be fast about it. Are you all right?
Yes, I'm all right.
Look, you are going to leave this country immediately.
Dad, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. If your business associates want to kill me the same way they killed my mother, so be it. You can dive into this tug of war for all I care. I'm not scared of dying.
You can't be talking like this. Do you know what it means if I lose you?
Dad, you're not going to lose me. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving. They can come if they want, but I'm not going anywhere.
apụ.
Dad, I cannot believe that you're still doing this Dakwabata. If you do not stop this, I will run away or kill myself.
You dare not say such thing. Calm down. I've already explained to you what happened. I met and fell in love with this girl. And then, Akabata comes from nowhere to drag her with me.
Is she the only woman in this world?
Yes, so to me, she's the only woman because she possesses all the qualities I want. And then she will help me to upgrade my class. Please.
Upgrade you to where?
So this is a stunt to tarnish my image, huh? You have your daughter, so why would you not touch my mother?
Dad, again?
Akabata, in a war like this, there are meant to be losers. You are the loser.
I never lose.
You lose, Ola.
Where is my mother? Mama? Oh God, let's go.
They tried to bury me alive. But Omoa did not allow them to succeed. Now, you need to stop this war with Akwabata. It is turning you into what you are not. Or have you forgotten who you are?
Mama, I know what to do. I have heard you. But I will not let that Ikuku to snatch up Richard from me. If I let that happen, Ikuku will spit on me again. Amanum now. Amanum now. Why did you want to
Alone, Jam. You have to stop.
I think it's high time we take this to another level.
Take what exactly to another level?
Me? Our relationship.
Well, that's not the reason I invited you here. By the way, don't you think you owe me an apology for what you did?
Apology? It was just a harmless thought.
A harmless stunt, you say? What if something had gone wrong?
Nothing would have gone wrong. Now listen, no man who truly loves a woman will allow that woman be taken away by another man. Imagine what would have become of me if Ikukwego have succeeded. Huh? Then after my other title, I will now live without a beautiful woman like you by my side. No way. It doesn't happen like that.
It's always about you and your title.
What else do we make money for if not to please ourselves? You understand?
Opuriche, what is this crook doing here?
I should be the one asking you that question. What are you doing here?
Ikuku, can you please sit?
I cannot sit down with this murderer.
You are the murderer. In fact, your father, your great-great-grandfather is a murderer. How dare you?
You asked me to sit down and listen to the bow that that's from him? He should be the one to shut up.
I invited you both here, so please respect that.
Talk to him.
I cannot sit down with this crook. If he needs to talk, it must not be to me. He must shut up.
Then shut up and walk away.
If you don't shut up now, I will shut up your mouth for you.
Then walk away. If you cannot sit, then walk away.
Operator, Tell him I can make him disappear.
Ah, then I will reappear. Then make you and your entire generation disappear. Rubbish.
Did you hear that?
Nonsense.
Did you hear that?
But, talk to him. Rubbish. What kind of nonsense is that?
Well, I invited you both to ask you some questions. Now, let me start with you, Ikuku. What do you want from me? Because I am old enough to be your daughter. What do you want?
Oh, well, in the first place, you're not my daughter. And I have already answered that. You are one of the best brains in Africa, not just this community. And God labeled you with full option. You have everything. In fact, your beauty is irresistible. That's why they named you Opuriche.
Not for love, but infatuation. Aquabata, tell me, why do you want me?
And you tell him to shut up.
Please, you had your turn.
Listen, have you imagined yourself coming out to the crowd, cheering you, calling you the wife of Aquabata?
But that was not my question.
Yeah.
The question is, why do you want me?
Bam.
Why do you want me?
Because you have all I want in a woman. You need me. You need a young, vibrant young guy, not analog man. Okay?
Not
analog man. Check it out.
I see. I see. But have you both stopped to think for once if you are what I want?
Well, no woman in her right senses would reject Ikuku.
If I stop talking rubbish, Ujegole.
How much I have? Enough to feed 7 of your generations.
That's analog.
Lie.
That's analog.
Look at you.
You are too analog to feed my generation.
My boy when we were in Thailand.
Don't mind him. That is analog. Eh?
Analog.
This is digital money.
Digital.
Aquabata na Thailand.
AI money. Look at him.
Look at him. You are looking at
him. Don't listen to him. If you want a man who will make you feel like a man, it is me, not small boys. And you see, I'm engine that is still renewable. You have. Don't worry.
I understand the surprise on your face because almost.
Don't listen to him. You want a man.
Dad.
Yes, my darling.
Why Princess Oporiche?
On the first day I set my eyes on her, something told me she's going to be my wife.
Okay. Is it because she's a princess?
No. I just know I like her so much.
Okay. If you think that she loves you, why not take the bold step? You need the love of a woman. One day I'll get married. You need someone that will take care of you.
So you want me to marry her?
Yes. Again, if you want her, do something extraordinary for her. So you don't have to drag her with Aquabata. Women are moved by what you do for them.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Something extraordinary.
Yes, sir.
I know what to do. I know what to do. Thank you for this advice.
You're most welcome.
What was their response?
It all boils down to their selfish interest. They both want me to leave their status.
One of them might be good. But pride and selfishness might have enveloped it. Nevertheless, you have gotten the answer you wanted.
Of course. Oh. Good morning.
Good morning, my sunrise.
Please.
Thank you. Good. Alright. It's good to see you in the morning like this. I came to share some good news with you. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Well, I think I just need to distress.
Distress? Look, if it's something that has to take you out of this country, consider it done. I can take you to the Maldives, Morocco, any of the islands. Just say it and it's done.
Well, nothing a little yoga can fix. I'm good.
Yoga? If it's about therapy or...
Did she tell you she doesn't know where to get that?
As I was saying before, interrupted rudely by this motherless baby's home. If you want, I can get you a Chinese therapist. I have one that's very close that does things for me. And you'll be okay.
And she told you she doesn't know where to get that? Huh? Ojamu Diego. If they allow you to climb the ukuna, you won't do anything. High BP will come. My dear, don't bother yourself. I have a special gift for you. Huh? It's 2025 Bravo. Huh? It's not show workers. Show workers.
Well, if I needed a Brabus, I could have gotten it in a gym.
You see what they call it? Brabus. It's only not a Brabus, Brabusu. Brabus. That's what you call it. Come on, no idea. Go dress up. Let me take you out for lunch and then set you on the path of development, not Brabus.
I like the way you always entertain him. You know, as an old man, you need to make him happy.
This is an old man with swagger. Not just an old man, but the one who knows how to take care of it. Sweet like you.
Can we have some decorum?
Yeah, no, we can have some decorum, but you see, he's the one who interrupted the peaceful atmosphere.
It's not swagger, it's swag.
Look at you.
Your grandfather. It's not swagger, swag.
You are calling me a grandfather.
Can we have a little decorum, please?
If Akwabata lasts more than one round, call me an idiot. Look, you need to have an older guy like me. I mean, many women tell me they want older guys because we don't give wahala.
Don't worry, my sister, no problem. I just get BP drop for you by the side in case he has BP.
Oh, come on, look at.
You know what? You both entertain yourself. When you're done, see yourselves out.
Let me also tell you what you don't know.
See
what you know.
You see your problem now.
You
see your problem, old man. Can't you just rest? Can't you just rest? Why are you disturbing this young woman?
Igugu. Well, I'm sorry. The contract has already been awarded to a more influential dignitary. Yes.
Influence. Sweeter than money.
What influence?
I am the one. I'm more influential than
Go on.
Power is power.
All right. I can handle the influence.
I'm sorry. You can go through it.
All right.
Akwabata, what do you think happened in there?
What
Do you think you can assign me with one signature? Look, let me tell you something. Money opens doors. But it is power that decides who enters.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I just interacted with my business partner. You're just here.
What
making
business? What business partner? Igaladia me makamaka.
Yeah, you man
In a from contract. Which
contract? Do you have any contract?
Ako.
Don't move away. Let me go.
My friend, will you stop that nonsense? Come, what nonsense? Eh? Why would you do that?
Why would I do what?
You got TMO.
Which one did I come to the
Can
you just get out of my way? Let me just go where I'm going.
Another time, you will not escape this.
Escape what? I have escaped already now. I have escaped already. You say another time.
I call bet.
I'm not betting.
I call bet.
I'm not betting with gamblers. Gambler.
I call bet. Because in our bodies, pure water. Lexus 350 kg. Huh?
Is that why you want to bet? So that you take this car? I know if you envy the car, you don't have money.
Let me tell you, this will be your last car. Nothing will happen.
Listen, let me tell you. Money is power. Power is power.
Okay.
Go look for money.
Okay.
I have money.
Munage. I think I like this place. The environment is serene. I'll take it. So, complete the paperwork and I'll transfer the money to you.
Okay, let's go to our...
Okay, that's good.
Cause now she be my lover. Now she I go marry if you cross my way.
Abana, how you doing?
Good morning, sir.
So what are you doing here? Your boss didn't tell you the latest? Oh, I see. Well, baby, this is my birthday gift to you. Huh? I've paid for it. Cheers.
Wow. This is a pleasant surprise. I'm afraid I do not like the color.
There's no problem. You can do the color anything you like. You can change the color at any time.
What's going on here, my friend? Didn't you tell him this property has been sold?
Sir,
Call your boss. Tell him if he wants more money, to tell me in a very plain language. Let me furnish the account. This must not hold.
Well, my brother, poor people admire things the rich men pay. So tell your boss that I don't want any neighbors. I'm ready to buy all the house, close to this house. No neighbors, okay? Baby, you can take a look at it. Go inside, enjoy yourself. Let me go and have a meeting, okay? Thank you.
Cause now she be my lover. Now she I go marry if you cross my way, if you fully well.
Love him. Love him. Love him. I know you miss me, and I miss you too. That is why I've decided to wait for you here so that I can follow you home. I miss you now.
What's your name again?
My name is Chima, but you can call me She Baby or you call me your baby. Baby gay.
Your name is Chima.
Yes.
Okay, Chima. See, take this. Okay, take this. Okay, just take. I don't want to see you around here, okay? Take this, take care of yourself, go home, take care of yourself, whatever you need, okay?
No. Why would you say that now? Me, I want to see you. I brought my bag. I want to follow you home. Let me follow you home. Let me follow you home. Love, Mama, let me follow you home.
are not permitted to go inside.
Says who? Are you okay? Do you know who you're talking to?
You are not above the royal order. Please step aside until the king asks us to let you in.
Nonsense. I, Akwabata, should step aside until the king orders me in. Absolute madness.
Today is a special day for the royal family. And it's strictly an invitation.
So what? So I should step aside before the king orders me in? Nonsense.
Of course.
Madness. Take him out.
Don't touch me.
Nonsense.
Young man, I am the celebrant. I'm sure the king must have told you I was on my way.
You too, you are not permitted to go inside.
Says who?
Says the king.
Jojo, let's buy him lunch. This is for you.
Thank you for your money, sir. Like I said, it's strictly an invitation.
You get out of here. Get out. Nonsense! Come on with me. Your Majesty, your guards almost stopped me by the gate. But anyway, I'm here. This gift is for my lovely operator. We can now begin. I'm here.
You're here for what? Begin what? My dear preacher, I'm here with some few dollars. You know, after our marriage, I'm taking you to about 7 countries in the world for our honeymoon. To enjoy.
Somebody take this mad boy out of here, please.
Can you please keep quiet? By the palace. Who is this guy that is sitting while a titled man like me is standing? Who is he? Who are you?
My friend Nodane, this is not your house. You can't give orders here.
Akwabata, please, I need you to calm down.
Please, calm down.
We are going to end the whole of this madness today, here and now. Ishian Nana, can you please give me a cup of wine? Operation, my daughter.
Father.
Kneel before me. I want you to take this cup of wine and show me the man you have chosen by yourself, the man you want to call your husband, the man you want to spend the remaining days of your life with.
Yes,
Rich, I have foreign currency here and gold chains and so on.
That's good.
It's all yours.
That's good money.
Shut up.
You don't need that, grandfather. You don't need that, my dear.
That settles it.
Akabata, maybe when.
Nicompops, men without class. Very uncultured man. He does not even know that whatever the king has already said should no longer be taken away. Well, I say congratulations.
Thank you, Father.
Operation, my daughter.
Father.
I wish you happy married life.
Thank you, Father.
Come here. I take your hand this day and I hand you over to him as a wife. you are going to live very happily with him.
See.
And may the gods of this land bless this union forever.
Easy. Thank you, Papa.
Bridget, how could you do this to me?
Show me a woman who wants to marry a kidnapper, or a man who seeks power more than life and love. You had your chance. Honey, let's go.
You see? You're happy now. You used your nonsense reggae to spoil my blues. Jam where Diego. It's alright.
One day, I'm going to joke so boring. Now compare yourself with me. Guys will book it like this and sit on top of you. Chai. For the first time in my life, I lost. Ikukuego. Mban.
Dad, don't be like this. Just let it go. She's not the only beautiful woman with such class. Just look at you.
Adam.
You can get any woman of your choice.
Adam, you don't understand.
Dad, I understand.
You don't understand.
Daddy, I understand you. Okay, it would have been more embarrassing if she had chosen Akwabata. Don't you think so? That would have been worse.
Chai. Ikukuego.
Daddy, calm down. Okay, let's go inside.
Before BP my rise, Yabiko.
Mama, that girl called Chima has been disturbing my life. Every time she sees me, she'll be telling me she loves me. She's singing one love song.
How come? Who sent her?
No, since that day I took that child that you gave me, she has been disturbing me, blocking me on the road, coming to my house, singing one stupid love song. But she loves me. I don't understand.
Was she the first person you spoke to after drinking that water?
Yes.
Hey!
What?
More than one now.
What?
You must marry her.
Marry her? How? Why?
You must marry her if you don't want to die.
Die? Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Because I didn't know she was going to be the first person you spoke to after drinking the water. I thought it was Richard.
So that means I should marry her?
Yes.
If not, I would die.
Yes.
No way, Mama. Okay. But I know how to make her shut up forever.
Don't do anything stupid. Don't kill her. If you kill her, you too will die a painful death. In fact, you must marry her to live. Besides, you don't know who she is. She's not who you think she is.
But you didn't make this thing clear to me now. Why?
Amapanam.
Me marry her?
Yes. You must. You must marry her for you to live. For you to live, you must marry Chima.
Me marry her? Ha! Is there nothing you can do?
Nothing. It has been done.
Hey, talk to your destiny now.
What? Mom, okay, now this thing.
Whatever. Talk to your mom.
Okay, now.
Where is your, thank you. Where is your father?
Akwabata.
Okay, go.
What are you doing here?
That was great.
I asked a question.
Can we just forget about all this trouble? Huh? I've understand that the heart of a woman is deeper than the ocean. Can I have a seat? My dear, please, I need some water. Okay. Just get me some water. You're my brother. Then I'm here for us to reconcile. I want us to put aside whatever that happened, put everything behind us. Let's join hands together to find a better way to develop our town, our community. Because I've learned something from that. That no matter how you take care of a woman, no matter how you take care of a goat, it will always eat your yam. So that is why I'm here for us to, reconcile. Should I please? Thank you, my dear. Thank you.
Akwabata. When any sane man hears you talk about a goat, they will think you are referring to the greatest of all time. But you are the goat. You, Kanumano, that's what you are. I spent millions on you to take you to Holland. How did you pay me back? Running away with a woman, with my money.
Can we just stop that and stop talking about it?
We must talk about it. The taste of the pudding is in the eating. What you showed me is the tip of the iceberg. That if you have more money, you will not let me sleep. You never told anybody I was your guy, that I'm up for Grage.
Well, since you don't allow me to speak, you don't want to listen to me, I have to leave.
Yes, I think it's better you take your leave.
It's all right.
There's nothing sweeter than peace.
Madam, there's a piece of the graveyard. It's not peace. Sometimes before you make peace, you make war. I know his tricks. He's a viper. He wants to enter me and strike. I know him.
What if it's actually change?
Change. If this one becomes born again, the devil will reject him.
Dad, calm down. See, okay, what if something happens to you tomorrow?
Like what?
Like an enemy fighting you. It's people like Akwabata that you call as brothers to come fight for you.
That's what you think?
Yes, sir.
This man is dangerous. If anything happens to me, I die, and Akwabata comes, I'll wake up. Akụ nwanne m, a ga-alụgidezi ọgụ ụwa emebie. Onye ọ gaziri, onye nwe mba. Onye ọ gaziri ka ị bụ.
You know, you said something that touched me. We cannot fight forever. It's not possible. You said we should settle our differences for the better interest of our greater community. So we can build it together. Very impressive. Akwanna.
Is that right? Can we go inside and talk about it? And also discuss about my wedding.
Wedding? What wedding?
Just like that? Okay. I hope you have the kind of wine I drink because you know me. I don't drink cheap wine. You know that? Okay. Whip Toji, Menemoji, we are brothers.
Money stop for nonsense. If you cross my way, if you fully well, get even a second to only. Getting up your nobodo. Aquabata no panso. Or you move look at why. Macane melon wine. Or name melon kayama. Or wherever you can see them. It's a love me feel. One mulu so poor. One me live nada can do it. We makatama gena chigi. Imakatama gena chigi. Well, solo. 'Cause now she be my lover. Now she I go marry her. If you cross my way, if you fully well, Itego, Ojiego Wamba, Itego, wanna stop for nonsense, Obo de Delugono, Ndibika Batagonu, and a quick one, Woke Ponoko, woke a better. You could go, you're gonna fair. Money stop for nonsense. If you cross my way, if you fully well, get even a second to only. Getting up your nobodo. Aquabata no panso. Or you move look at why. Macane melon. One melon kayama. Whoever you can see them. It's a love with me fell. When them one so poor. When them live a ladder can do it. We makatama gena chigi. Imakatama gena chigi. When solo. 'Cause now she be my lover. Now she I go marry her. If you cross my way, if you fully well.
Oh,
Nigeria?
Been a while.
What's going on with you? What's the meaning of it's been a while? I mean, I've been sending you emails, no response. I've tried countless times. The Japanese people, they've been trying to reach you. Do you want to just throw that deal away? What's going on with you?
What deal are you talking about? So, you actually said, you are pretending as if you're mad all this while.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry, my love. I just have to do what I could, just to save my own life. When I returned, I was kidnapped. Like, more than 2 times. And I have to pay a very huge ransom just to get my life back. I got tired. I have to pretend to be mad to save my own life. I'm sorry.
You don't know who you just got married to. I mean, she is one of the richest women alive. She has designed over 50 e-banking apps. She's a tech guru. Oh my word.
I'm sorry.
Please, you need to reply to your mail. Please. By the way, congratulations. I see you're married.
Married now. Thank you.
Congrats.
What? Thank you.
Please take care of her, okay?
Oh, I will.
Thank you.
It's okay. Congrats.
This is a very pleasant surprise. Like, I wasn't expecting to see it
I know you
today.
like surprises, so I decided to pull this one.
What? I love this one.
You love
God.
it, as if you care. Did you call me? You're a bad friend.
Oh, wait, hold on. It's not like that. You know, we came back for a mini holiday, rest, chill, just me, Dad. I was going to call you, actually.
You're going to call me?
I swear I was going to call you, catch up, you, the girls.
It's fine. How is your dad?
He's fine. He stepped out for a wedding.
Okay. Okay.
He'll be back soon, though. Jojo, why the long face?
I got bad news.
Bad news? What happened?
Your father has been shot.
What did you just say?
I couldn't have imagined it.
I'm so sorry about it. But please, can we just talk about our honeymoon?
Of course, we should.
So where are you taking me? Because I have a lot of places that I want to go to.
Well, I should be asking you, where do you want to go?
Maybe Zanzibar, Paris, UK, Ibiza.
Yeah. Hold on. What? Are you serious?
What happened?
Ikuku was shot.
He was shot?
Yes.
How? Where is he?
Jada! Where is he? How did it happen?
Why did you do this to him? You came to our house to talk about peace. Is that to lure him in and kill him?
And then what are you talking about? Huh?
I know you did this. It has your signature written all over it.
Please stop it. I don't have a hand in this. I was in the church all through today.
Church? Okay. Be ready to face me if anything happens to me.
Where is he?
So that you can finish the job? No, thank you. We don't need you. Thank you, you can go. We don't need you here. You can go.
Are you okay? Did you see him?
The doctor didn't allow me to see him.
Why?
She said I have a headache. What happened to him?
Why would she say such a thing to you?
Well, I don't blame her. My mother will also think same if I was shot.
I understand. But I trust you. You can't do such a thing.
I didn't do it.
It's fine. You walk home. Don't worry. Let's just go inside. Uncle, how is he?
Is there any member of your family that I can talk to?
Well, you're looking at her. I'm his only daughter. What is it?
Well, I'm sorry, but we lost him in the middle of the surgery. Please calm down.
Nurse! Nurse!
Take it easy. Calm down. Okay? My dad was right after all. Akwabata is wicked and evil. He killed my father, and I would make sure that he has no peace. Calm down. How are you sure he's the one who did it? Ever since my father met the woman he's crushing on, there is nothing he has not done. He has even kidnapped me twice. Oh, okay. If you have enough evidence, maybe you can go make a report at the police station. Okay? I know what to do.
Leave me alone! I will push you, don't touch me. Leave it! Leave me alone! What's your problem? You want me to leave a man that shot my dad? Prince, stop touching me. Don't touch me. Get your hands off. Give me your press. Ada, listen to me. You're not acting like my friend now. Don't touch me. Ada, you don't have to do this. You put yourself in trouble. Ada, I don't care. I don't mind. Ada, calm down. Why should I calm down? You don't have to do this. Calm down. Don't let your anger ruin you. Queen, at this moment, I do not care. Here, please. Move. You go to jail. Don't put yourself. Do I look like I care? Calm down. You don't have to do this. Let the police handle it. Get off my way. Ada, please. I'm your friend. Ada. Out. Block my way and I will shoot you.
What are you doing here?
Where is your boss?
Is he aware that you are coming?
Are you deaf? Where is that murderer? Did you not hear me? Where is he?
Come, not a shout for you. Make I not fling you.
Complete that statement and I'll blow your head off. Don't try that. Any slight movement and I'll blow your head off. The only movement you make is taking me to him. Move. You're happy now, right?
What happened?
But my father is dead. Start jubilating.
Kuku is dead. Oh.
What's with the pretense? Are you not satisfied now?
I didn't do it.
No. I will not. It's an eye for an eye. Put the gun down. Don't get involved. Put it down. Don't interfere. Just put the gun down!
Get the driver! Get the driver! How's she doing?
I'm sorry we lost her.
I swear not to do this again. Or say she will make me too. I swear.
Dad!
Ako nwanne m. Yagazi uborage.
Yagazi.
You know, it's always a thing of joy when brothers come together and work for the common interest of the poor.
Exactly.
Wada?
Thank God it was a dream.
What dream?
I'll tell you about it later.
Okay. Have you said hello to Aqua Batawanam?
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. How are you? Good, good.
Before you came, we were talking about how to build a factory for this community. And we will join resources together to build a cement factory. You know, everyone is expected to build a house. So cement is good business.
Yeah, I also tell her about our also title and for the festival.
You and this also title. Okay. Now tell the chef to make something sumptuous for us. You know, it's not every day you see Akwabata. Let us also tell him and prove to him he's not the only one who has money. All right. Check who goes there.
You're
Good
welcome.
afternoon. Yes.
You remember her, Queen? We met in Edinburgh 3 years ago.
Queen.
Yeah.
Of course. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. You've grown into a very beautiful young woman.
Thank you, sir.
Wow. Huh.
What the presents about? I told you I dreamt about you. Oh. Dad will be going upstairs.
Okay. Make sure you give her a treat that befits her name.
Definitely, Dad.
Okay.
It looks like we are having a wedding plan soon.
Absolutely. Look. Ịma na-asị na mmadụ rugburu n'ime mmiri. Mụrụgbuo n'ime nke a ka mụrụgbuo.
Very natural. Natural.
You help me in this one.
Yes, I will. I will gladly do that. You know what I can do?
I know. Bad man.
Ojiego Wamba Ijego Wanna stop for nonsense yo Bobo de Delugono Ndi Bika Batagono Ane Kweku Ane Meme Woke Kunoko Woke Ne Beta Ikuku Ego Ne Fefe Money stop for nonsense if you cross my way, if you fully well. Get even a second jolly. Or getting up your nobodo. Aquabata no panso. Or you move look at a while. Macane melon or ne melo yakayama. Oh, wherever you can see ya. It's a love that made me feel. Onye mulu nwane sokuo Onye melipe nada kanduoli Mwe makatama Gena chigi Imakatama Gena chigi Welo nwa solum Cause na she be my love Na she I go marry yo If you cross my way If you fully well Ojiego Wamba Ijego Wanna stop for nonsense yo Bobo de Delugono Ndi Bika Batagono Ane Kweku Ane Meme Woke Kunoko Woke Ne Beta Ikuku Ego Ne Fefe Money stop for nonsense if you cross my way, if you fully well. Get even a second jolly. Or getting up your nobodo. Aquabata no panso. Or you move look at a while. Macane melon